I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the recorder and the screen so the capture is reliable. First, make sure you've granted screen and mic permissions and picked 1080p or your preferred resolution. Once done, select the recording region and a frame rate between 30 and 60. Lower rates save CPU. Next, pick a microphone and enable system audio, then close background apps that steal resources. Finally, open your recorder and use a quick 3-5-second test to confirm levels and framing before proceeding. Now you refine capture settings so editing is painless. Choose separate audio tracks for mic and system audio, that way you can fix voice levels later. Then pick a codec like H.264 for compatibility or H.265 for smaller files, and set a bitrate that balances quality with file size. Make sure hardware acceleration is on if available. Next, bind Start/Stop hotkeys, enable a webcam overlay if needed, and turn on annotation tools so you can point things out during. To finish, stop the capture and immediately save with a descriptive file name and location so you don't lose the file. Export in MP4 or MOV depending on your editor, then trim dead time and balance mic versus system audio. Compress or transcode if you need to upload quickly. If something goes wrong, first verify screen and mic permissions and confirm you have enough disk space. If performance is poor, lower the frame rate or bitrate and try again. This single step fixes most recording failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.